How we doing tonight, everybody? Yeah. Said it 1, 2, 3, 4, and I. Bobby played his guitar on the hard side of town, where it's hard for a poor boy to find the morning. education, had the heart and soul. Somehow knew he was born to play. People said, get a real job, son, support your family. There's no future on the road you're taking. But he never said a word, dreamer just kept on. And late at night you could hear him sing. And he said, I'm gonna be somebody. All right. One of these days I'm gonna break these chains. I'm gonna be somebody someday. You can bet your hard-earned dollar I will. The road was a struggle. It took him 10 years to the top. Now he's number one on the stage and the radio. Still he can't believe how people come from miles around. When it seemed like only yesterday he would say, I'm gonna be somebody. One of these days I'm gonna break these chains. Yeah. I'm gonna be somebody someday. You can bet your hard-earned dollar I will. Yeah, don't you know it? Bobby played his hometown one full moon summer night. And they heard a boy down in the front row sing. Was a sandy-haired rebel boy with the same old hungry eyes. He looked up at Bobby and said, yeah, I'm gonna be somebody. One of these days I'm gonna break these chains. I'm gonna be somebody someday. You can bet your hard-earned dollar I will. You know I will, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna be somebody, just like all of you people. Hey. One of these days I'm gonna break these chains. And I'm gonna be somebody someday. You can bet your hard-earned dollar I will. Well, yeah, you can bet your hard-earned dollar I will. Yes, I will. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Good evening, everybody. Welcome. Thank you for being here tonight. We're going to do a few songs for you tonight. Some of them are going to be songs that have been around for a few years, and I hope at least a few of them will be familiar to you. And we're also going to do some stuff off of our latest album. And yeah. So in any case, have a good time, enjoy yourself. Anytime you feel like singing along, as always, we encourage you to do that. If you don't know all the words to the song, please limit yourselves to the choruses only. The main thing is just have a good time. That's what we're here for, all right?
It's that Nashville music.
Eating from the world in a bunch of pine. The moon's a little bashful and the ceilings shine. Civilized people live there all right, but they all go native on a Saturday night.
Hey guys, Bobby Bones here, your music sommelier. For a delectable Saturday night, I highly suggest Opry Live with Brett Young, Warren Treaty, Callista Clark, and the Del McCurry Band. Opry Live, Saturday, 9 Eastern, 8 Central.
Why are drivers 50 and over switching to the AARP auto insurance program from the Hartford? Let's take a ride with some actual customers and find out. Hey, well, tell me about your experience when you switched to the Hartford.
They saved me a bunch of money. I'm sitting there thinking, man, I should have turned 50 years ago. I'm getting older, and they're still taking care of me.
They're just so caring. They've got this thing called accident forgiveness. They're not going to raise your rate just because you had an accident.
Not to raise my rate in case something does happen. Where am I going to find a policy like that? Just make the call.
Drivers 50 and over can save hundreds of dollars when they switch to the AARP auto insurance program from the Hartford. Not an AARP member? The Hartford can help you join in minutes. To get your free no-obligation quote and see how much you could save, call the Hartford at 1-800-684-0578 or go to gohartfordauto.com. The Bucks got your back.
In these challenging days, it's important to stay covered when you're outdoors, and not just from the sun. Keep cool and stay covered with Mission Instant Cooling Gear, helping you stay safe when you're outside so you can do more. Mission's Cooling Neck Gaiter is a multifunctional face and neck cover that helps protect you from harmful elements. They slip on easily and stay put comfortably. Lightweight UPF 50 fabric can be water activated to keep you cool for hours. Machine washable, chemical-free cooling you can use over and over again. And for the ultimate coverage when you're in the sun, try Mission Cooling Hats. Engineered with same cooling technology.
It's instantly cooling in your head. I'd love it.
Go to Mission.com right now to get your own Mission Cooling Gaiter or cooling hat in your choice of style and color, starting as low as $14.99. Order right now and enter the TV exclusive promo code below to save 25% and get free shipping on the entire line of Mission innovations. Go to Mission.com right now.
As we sat on the front porch of that old gray house where I was born and raised, staring at the dusty fields where my daddy worked hard every day, I think it kinda hurt him when I said, Daddy, there's a lot that I don't know. But don't you ever dream about a life where corn don't grow. He just sat there silent, staring at his favorite coffee cup. I saw a storm mixed emotion in his eye when he looked up. He said, son, I know at your age it seems like this whole world is turning slow, and you think you'll find the answer to it all where corn don't grow. There's dusty fields no matter where you go. Son, you may change your mind, 'cause them weeds are high where corn don't grow. Feeling guilty when Daddy turned and walked back in the house. I was only 17 back then, but I thought that I knew more than I know now. And I can't say it didn't want me. The city life's a hard road to hoe. Long ain't fun. How a dream can turn around where corn don't grow. corn don't grow. Yes, you may change your mind, all them weeds are high, where corn don't grow. Thank you. Well, this is a song that is for all of the people that are out there like me. Anybody like me, that kind of stubborn, hard-headed? Anybody like that? Well, speaking as a person that's that way, I can tell you, being stubborn and hard-headed is not always a bad thing. You know? But this song is for all of you who are like me, who have to learn things the hard way. It's called Can't Tell Me Nothing. '86 Harley, blowing smoke and sucking oil. My daddy said, "Buy it and you're crazy, boy. You can't tell me nothing." It took me a year to fix it up and one day to lay her down. I got a little hitch in my get along now. You can't tell me nothing. Talk is cheap and free advice is worth the price you pay. I had to find out for myself the hard way. You can't tell me nothing. My hometown homecoming sweetheart, nobody thought I had a prayer. Her mama said, "Boy, don't you come around here. You can't tell me nothing." They say be careful what you wish for. I wanted to be her man, and 2 babies and a trailer later, here I am. You can't tell me nothing. Talk is cheap, free advice is worth the price you pay. I had to find out for myself the hard way. They say that drinking will kill you. The same thing for rolling smokes. But that's 2 of the 3 things that I like most. You can't tell me nothing. I know what the good book preaches, but I know how I am. And I just hope somebody up there understands. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing.
And welcome to The Scene, the show where we take a look at some of the country's most iconic music destinations. We're going to check out Bluegrass's most famous venue, the Station Inn.
The Posters is a lot of what makes a Station Inn.
Who are some of the acts that you had in here at one point who were up-and-comers?
The most noted one is Dierks Bentley.
And later on, we'll check out the city's most popular guitar store, Carter Vintage Guitars.
Well, obviously this is like the culmination of a lifetime.
Non-attorney spokesperson. This is a paid advertisement for legal services sponsored by Nightline Legal. Cases assigned on a random basis to participating law firms. This drug remains approved by the FDA. If you or a loved one regularly took Zantac and were later diagnosed with cancer, call right now. You may be entitled to financial compensation. A number of pharmacies have suspended the sale of Zantac and other ranitidine products after the FDA announced the discovery of unacceptable levels of NDMA, a known cancer-causing impurity. Potential cancers associated with exposure to NDMA include bladder cancer, colon cancer, kidney cancer, stomach cancer, liver cancer, pancreatic cancer, along with many more. If you or a loved one regularly took Zantac and were later diagnosed with cancer, call right now. You may be owed significant compensation from the manufacturer. There are time deadlines to file a claim, so don't wait. Call now. Do not stop taking a prescribed medication without first consulting with your doctor. Discontinuing a prescribed medication without your doctor's advice can result in injury or death.
Call 1-800-958-4868.
And Medicare benefits review are absolutely free.
Just call 800-657-9286 now to see if you qualify.
And you may also be eligible to get up to $148 added back to your Social Security check every month. All it takes is one fast and easy phone call. Just call the toll-free number on your screen now to see if you qualify for new Medicare plans that may include free eyeglasses, free hearing aids, free meal delivery, free prescription drug delivery, expanded at-home telehealth visits, and much more. It's a new year, and that means you may be eligible for newly expanded Medicare benefits. Remember, you don't get these benefits automatically.
I want these new benefits. I'm calling right now.
Call now. There's no obligation to enroll. The call and Medicare benefits review are absolutely free.
Just call 800-657-9286 now. That's 800-657-9286.
I can't hide the way I feel about you anymore. And I can't hold the hurt inside, keep the pain out of my eyes anymore. My tears no longer waiting. My resistance ain't that strong. My mind keeps recreating a life with you alone. And I'm tired of pretending I don't love you anymore. Let me make one last appeal to show you how I feel about you. Cause there's no one else, I swear, holds a candle anywhere next to you. My heart can't take the beating of not having you to hold. A small voice keeps repeating deep inside my soul. It says I can't keep pretending that I don't love you anymore. I've got to take the chance, or let it pass by. If I expect to get on with my life, with my life, I can't hide the way I feel about you anymore. I can't keep the pain out of my eyes anymore. My tears no longer waiting. Whoa, whoa, whoa. My resistance ain't that strong. Well, my mind keeps recreating a life with you alone. Oh, and I'm tired of pretending I don't love you anymore. My baby knows me better than I do. Funny how a woman has that over of me. I can do anything with her here beside me. Leaning on her's where I make my stand. Where would we be without the love of her woman? Standing behind her man even when he's wrong. The true, pure, undying love of her woman makes a man a fool to think he can make it alone. My daddy was a wild when he was younger. Everybody told my mama he'd be hard to tame. Full of himself, said sir to nobody. But you ought to see him come running when mama calls his name. Where would we be without the love of their woman? Standing behind her man even when he's wrong. The true, pure, undying love of their woman makes a man a fool to think he can make it alone. Oh, a man goes crazy trying to catch his feelings. Too much pride and maybe the words come out wrong. But that's okay, 'cause he's still her hero. Steady as a rock, her love keeps rolling on. Where would we be without the love of their woman? Standing behind her man even when he's wrong.
are drivers 50 and over switching to the AARP auto insurance program from the Hartford? Let's take a ride with some actual customers and find out. Hey, well, tell me about your experience when you switched to the Hartford.
They saved me a bunch of money. I'm sitting there thinking, man, I should have turned 50 years ago. I'm getting older, and they're still taking care of me.
They're just so caring. They've got this thing called accident forgiveness. They're not going to raise your rate just because you had an accident.
Not to raise my rate in case something does happen. Where am I going to find a policy like that? Just make the call.
Drivers 50 and over can save hundreds of dollars when they switch to the AARP auto insurance program from the Hartford. Not an AARP member? The Hartford can help you join in minutes. To get your free no-obligation quote and see how much you could save, call the Hartford at 1-800-684-0578 or go to gohartfordauto.com. The Buck's got your back.
Do you have trouble hearing conversations? Are you constantly asking loved ones to repeat themselves? Do you miss out on discussions or talking with friends? Then you would benefit from Nano hearing aids. Don't waste thousands of dollars on expensive hearing aids or settle with the frustration of cheap amplifiers. Right now, you can get 2 revolutionary Nano CIC Recharge hearing aids, regularly $794 for just $297. Or opt into our payment plan of 4 easy payments.
I love how affordable the Nano hearing aids are. Compared to some hearing aids, they're as much as $3,000, $4,000, $5,000.
Don't be fooled by higher-priced hearing aids. The CIC Recharge is a true hearing aid, not an amplifier. It has rechargeable technology that many customers say is superior to more expensive models.
Well, these Nano hearing aids are fantastic. They're affordable, they're easy to fit into the ear. And what really impressed me is I'm hearing things I haven't heard in years.
Our friendly operators are standing by to take your order.
800-504-7841.
The CIC Recharge offers superior noise reduction and a tiny in-the-ear canal design that is nearly invisible. Best of all, they are incredibly affordable. And if you call now, we'll add a portable charging case and ship your order absolutely free.
I love how they feel. They're very light. I don't even know they're there.
You know, I've used other hearing aids before that were bulky. These are light and easy to use, too.
Stop missing out on important conversations or wasting thousands of dollars on expensive hearing aids. Order now and you'll get 2 CIC Recharge hearing aids and a portable charging case for just $297. Or opt into our easy payment plan, and your order ships free. Supplies are limited, so don't delay. Better hearing is just a phone call away.
800-504-7841. Again, that's 800-504-7841.
In these challenging days, it's important to stay covered when you're outdoors, and not just from the sun. Keep cool and stay covered with Mission Instant Cooling Gear, helping you stay safe when you're outside so you can do more. Mission's Cooling Neck Gaiter is a multifunctional face and neck cover that helps protect you from harmful elements. They slip on easily and stay put comfortably. Lightweight UPF 50 fabric can be water activated to keep you cool for hours. Machine washable, chemical-free cooling you can use over and over again. And for the ultimate coverage when you're in the sun, try Mission Cooling Hats. Engineered with same cooling technology.
It's instantly cooling in your head. I'd love it.
Go to Mission.com right now to get your own Mission Cooling Gaiter or cooling hat in your choice of style and color, starting as low as $14.99. Order right now and enter the TV exclusive promo code below to save 25% and get free shipping on the entire line of Mission innovations. Go to Mission.com right now.
You say you were wrong to ever leave me here alone, and now you're sorry, you're lonesome and scared, and you say you'd be happy if you could just come back home. Well, here's a quarter, call someone who cares. Yeah. Call someone who listens and might give a damn. Maybe one of your sordid affairs. Don't you come around here handing me Thank you. Y'all keep that up. We may play all night. You're a wonderful audience. Thank you. I appreciate it. I know there's times you've been tormented by questions in your mind. Will our love last or simply fade away as time begins to pass? You're a complicated lady, that's for sure, with a need for someone on free to make you feel secure. And if you wonder if I'm strong enough to be your man, yes, yes, I am. Don't let yourself imagine it's a lie. I'm not the kind to turn and say goodbye. Even though you test my soul and make yourself so hard to hold, I'm gonna make you understand I'm strong enough to be your man. Do you believe when I look in your eyes? I swear I'll never leave. What will it take to make you know that what we have is here to stay? Yes, I know you've been loved and held before, but I promise you won't ever see me walking out the door. And if you wonder if I'm strong enough to be your man, yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I know this time you've been tormented by the questions in your mind.
Hey, I'm Blake Shelton.
I'm Dennis Quaid.
Hi, I'm Sarah Evans.
This is Luke Combs.
Hi, I'm Kevin Moe.
I'm Ashley McBride.
I'm Trace Atkins.
What's up? I'm Darius Rucker. Join me in the circle on Dish.
Get in the circle with Dish Channel 370. Country plays here. The heroes, the fallen, a moment never to be forgotten. Circle remembers 9/11, a tribute to the first responders and those who were lost. Presented by Wounded Warrior Project.
What is a wish?
Captain, we're ready to dive.
It's adventure in seeing the unknown. It's imagination.
We're ready to surface.
And coming up for air. But really, deep down, a wish is hope. And right now, we need hope more than ever. That's why we need your help. By giving $20 a month, 67 cents a day, or any amount to make a wish, you make wishes real. Wishes provide hope and give strength to children and their families. Wishes change lives.
Call the number on your screen or visit wish.org to grant wishes today.
Introducing the all-new Nutrisystem.
Now with a breakthrough fat burner that will burn body fat and help you stay hydrated. For a limited time, get a 1-month supply free.
Lose up to 18 pounds in your first 2 months, guaranteed. Your 18 can turn into 20, 30, 50, even more. You'll see results in your first week. Count, measure meetings, not with Nutrisystem.
Order your Nutrisystem plan right now. You'll get a month of breakfast, lunches, dinners, and snacks delivered to your door. Act now and get your first month of the new Hydrating Fat Burner free with your Nutrisystem plan. Supercharge your water to burn fat and stay hydrated. With the all-new Nutrisystem, lose up to 18 pounds in your first 2 months. Money back guaranteed. Millions of people have lost weight on Nutrisystem, and you can too.
Your first 18 pounds, gone.
Go online or call 877-651-FIT6 to order your Nutrisystem plan and get the fat burner free.
I got rice cooking in the microwave. Got a 3-day beard I don't plan to shave. And it's a goofy thing, but I just gotta say, hey, I'm doing alright. Yeah, I think I'll make me some homemade soup. I'm feeling pretty good, and that's the truth. It's neither drink nor drug induced, no, I'm just doing alright. And it's a great day to be alive. Oh, the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's some hard times in the neighborhood. Why can't every day be just this good? Oh, yeah. It's been 15 years since I left home. Said good luck to every seed I'd sown. Give it my best, then I left it alone. I hope you're doing all right. Now I look in the mirror and what do I see? A lone wolf there staring back at me. Long in the tooth, but harmless as can be. Lord, I guess he's doing all right. And it's a great day to be alive. Oh, the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's some hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good? Sometimes it's long day, sometimes it's on day, and the shadows that fill this room. Sometimes I'm falling, desperately calling, howling at the moon. Everybody howl with me. Come on, here we go now. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Well, I might go get me a new tattoo, or take my old Harley for a 3-day cruise. Might even grow me a Fu Manchu. Well,
Wild Horse is kind of synonymous with Nashville and a place that you have to visit.
Standing on stage at the Wild Horse, it feels like a big living room. I mean, you look at it, and with the 2 balconies, the fact that people can be lined up around the balcony, in the dance floor, they're like in the palm of your hand. It feels like you're playing to a big living room.
Tens of thousands of guests every single year. The history, the experience. Welcome to the Wild Horse.
Hi, I'm Jimmy J.J. Walker. If you're on Medicare, listen to this. I called the 1-800 number to see what extra Medicare benefits I could get. An actual person answered, looked up my zip code, and boom, I was offered extra benefits like dental coverage, including dentures, extractions, fillings. Plus prescriptions, transportation, meals, and so much more, all at no additional cost. And then I asked about the benefit that adds money to my Social Security check. And get this, I'm entitled to an extra $100 a month. That's $1,200 a year added to my Social Security check. And I was like, dynamite! Call the 1-800 number on the screen and see what you may be entitled to. Call now. It's free.
I called and she looked up my zip code and said I could eliminate copays and get expanded dental work, prescriptions, transportation, and meals, all at no additional cost.
I called and couldn't believe that my zip code has dental care, transportation, meals, and the benefit that adds money to my Social Security check every month.
Look. Your zip code may entitle you to save money and get significant extra benefits, including expanded coverage for dental work, all at no additional cost. Plus, you may be able to get money added to your Social Security check every single month. Fact is, you don't get these benefits automatically. You must call. Call and get everything you may be entitled to.
I'm on a fixed income, so I call to get money added to my Social Security check every month.
Call and get what you may be entitled to. Call now. It's free.
Call 1-800-606-7053. That's 1-800-606-7053 now.
Well, it's a long way to Richmond, rolling north on 95, with a redhead riding shotgun and a pistol by my side. Tearing down the highway like a modern day Bonnie and Clyde. We met at a truck stop, Johnson City, Tennessee. I was gassing up my Firebird when I heard her calling me. She said, "Which way are you headed, boy? Do you need some company?" She had me stopping at a quick mall before we made it out of town. Next thing she was running at me, telling me to lay that hammer down, 'cause there's a man right behind me doing his best to slow me down. stolen mortal lives. Lord, we never saw them come till they read us both our eyes. Yeah. It's a long way to Richmond, rolling up on 95. Yeah. With a sheriff right beside me, his pistol pointed at my side. Oh Lord, such a disappointing ending for this modern day Bonnie and Clyde. Well, I thought what we had was so good, it never turned bad. So you're leaving caught me unaware. Yeah, but the fact is you've run, girl, that can't be undone. So here's a quarter for someone.